Hey there, fellow QuickBooks users. If you're running a business and need to manage your inventory effectively, you're in the right place. Today, we're tackling how to activate an inventory item in QuickBooks Online with this full guide for 2025. Whether you're a small business owner, an accountant, or just getting started, activating inventory items can streamline your operations and help you track stock like a pro. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're in, head over to the main dashboard and click on the Sales tab, then select Products and Services. This is where all your items are managed, so it's your go-to spot for inventory setup. Now, to activate an inventory item, look for the specific item you want to work with. If it's a new one, click New and choose Inventory as the type. For existing items, simply select it from the list and hit Edit. Here's a key step. Under the item details, you'll see an option for Track Quantity on Hand. Make sure to check that box to enable inventory tracking. This tells QuickBooks that this item is part of your stock management. Next, fill in the essential details. Enter the initial quantity you have, the cost per unit, and any sales information like price and income account. Don't forget to set up reorder points if you want alerts when stock is low. Super handy for 2025's efficient business practices. After you've saved your changes, QuickBooks will start tracking that item automatically. You can always go back to verify by checking the inventory reports under the Reports section. Remember, accurate data entry is crucial to avoid any mix-ups. And just like that, you've activated your inventory item. This feature not only helps with real-time tracking but also integrates seamlessly with sales and purchases. If you run into any issues, QuickBooks has great support resources. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video.